Garma Joba. Today's a very exciting day. I'm sure you're going to be excited. Go get your neighbors, bring your children, get in front of the TV, watch what we have here. Everybody loves an unboxing. I got a giant box here. I don't know if you can guess what's in it. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. But I'm going to open it up. I got to get this ready. So let's get going. I got my old clothes on. Didn't have time to take a shower yet. Getting busy working. So I thought I would open this up before I take a shower. Yeah, it's not too bad so far. Got a lot of nails in here. I don't know why they need so many nails, but they got them. So, always good to have baggy pants on, I believe. A little more comfortable to work. And, I don't know if you can see, I cut them the other day. Ooh. So, they weren't very expensive, but you never know what's going to happen. So, this might take a little while, but look at all these nails in here. It's exciting. Can you guess what it is yet? This one came out pretty good. Yeah, no nails in that one. This is where it gets a little tricky. I don't have a pry bar. I think I had one, but I can't find it. Oh, this one don't want to go. It's going to go. So I got this I think a few days ago, but I've been busy. Most of my time is outside cutting vines. I didn't expect to be cutting so many vines, but it's taking all my time. Yeah, this one's nailed all the way down the side. Yeah, good. This will be a tough nut. I really gotta find my crowbar. Holy moly. This has got to come off, I think. This is going to be a tough one. But I got to get this piece off, which is a tough one. I don't know how to do it. Maybe if I can take it. That will fucking hurt. Let's see. Got a lot of nails in here. I already cut myself. Look at this. It's terrible. The nails are sharp. They're sharp, oh yeah. Here. Let's try this side. Maybe something over here. There we go. Getting closer. That works pretty good like that. So I thought this would be a little quicker, but so it's good to have the right tool for the job. Maybe I'm the wrong tool. That was a big one. Now, we're cooking with gas. Take this off. That might not be necessary. All right. If I can get this one off, that would be in good shape. Got something. So I gotta cut these cords, and if I can find my trusty cutter. There's one. We're almost there. There's two. Can you guess what it is yet? Anybody? Here's the clue. It's September now. Winter's coming up. You know what I should have done? I just made one of those videos where I just do something and don't talk. I was watching one of those earlier today. She was kind of creepy. So. Oh, that was an easy one. Look at this. Look at this. Now, got all this plastic wrapping. Which, get this off easy. We got a book. Oh, look at this. A lot of pages in this book. With some written in the back. I don't need no stinking books. Take this top off. Can you guess it yet? The thing is quite heavy. You know, in Georgia, funny thing is, funny information for you. If you're weak, don't order anything for delivery. This was delivered to me. I didn't pick it up. delivered. So we just put everything delivered today. But when they deliver something, let me take a minute. They deliver something to you here. There's usually, I bought my washing machine that had 2 people. But I bought my big refrigerator. There's only 1 guy. I had to help him bring it in. Same with this thing. This is the heaviest thing. Only 1 guy making these deliveries. I also had a big piece of glass for my shower behind the camera. But if you can't lift something, you're gonna have to. Hopefully, you know some neighbors, or you're gonna have to meet your neighbors to help you. Hopefully, someone strong neighbor. So I opened up the wrong side. Who would have thought? I don't know if I can lift this thing by myself. I can just turn it around. Because this is, can you guess what it is yet? I'm going to have to turn this around. Let me see if I can lift it. Yeah, I have a nice thing. All right. I have to wait for my friend to come over and move this in place. All right. So, I got me one of that old timey. Take this off and that. Come off. Old timey. Fireplace. I got a fireplace. Oh, look at these wood handles. Look at that, huh? That's something? Some storage in there. Dirty in there. Put some wood down here. There you go. Doesn't get any better than that. This thing weighs a ton. Open that up later. Look at all the bricks in here are good. That one looks like a little broken. Bastards. There it is. I'm ready for winter this time. We got the big fireplace in the living room over there, but they're not very efficient. They look good. It actually warms up pretty good, but I'm gonna put this one right where I am. I'm right by the door, front door. A lot of cold air is gonna come through there, especially when you open and close. So it'll blow some of the air throughout the house, but help heat up the front part of the house a little bit better. So there it is. It's pretty nice. It's just pretty cheap too, pretty low price. I was pretty happy with the price. But I can't lift it by myself. Pretty solid. I think it's made in Czechoslovakia or somewhere, or the Czech Republic. But that's it. Another exciting unboxing. Actually, I got one more I can do. Maybe I'll do it tonight or tomorrow. But that's it. I'm going to have a warm winter. Thanks for watching.